Mbere ya mucirithania Benjamin Limo igoti-ini ria Naikuru nikuo mwikuirwo wa njuragano na uria ni Abithaa wa KDF Kennedy Otieno agukinyitio.
The accused person has since Thursday last week been available to the police and has collaborated with them extensively towards investigations and unearthing what unraveled between him and the deceased.
Leah Otieno na uria ni mutumia wa Kennedy akorirwo akuirire gwake mucii tariki 12 no mbere iyo Leah ni akoretwo akimenyithia mweri wa nyina udumwe na muru wa nyina ati muthuriwe ni amuhingire nyumba kuria ningi acokire kumamenyithia ati undu wothe ukikana muhanikira muthuriwe niwe wagirirwo ni kurio. Aya eri na aria maikarite kihiko-ini kwa ihinda ria miaka 3 makoretwo na haro cia kimucii mahinda kwa mahinda gukirikana Leah ni akoretwo na uritu na kugia ciana undu uria wacungiririe muthuriwe kwenda kuhikia mutumia wa keri ngucanio iria yacungiririe Leah kwenda gutigana na kihiko kiao. No ona gukiri uguo kuringana na riboti ya maumirira ma postmortem monanitie Leah ni guitua itirwo mugaru na riboti ria muthuriwe andikithirie ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Lanet akiuga ati mutumia wake ni eyuragite.
If we are taking 2 days as he says the owner, it takes us on to Saturday. But Monday will be okay on our side, the owner. Then we can have the matter mentioned on Monday.
Otieno aguthie nambere na guikara ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Bahati nginyagia tariki 22 mweri uyu turi riria agacokio igoti-ini cira-ini wake ukigwetwo na agitika thitango iria ari nacio. Girifutira Kameme TV, Rutorokoni wa Njiro wa Foro.